In today's video, I am going to teach you how to do Klaviyo reporting. To get started, make sure you are logged into your Klaviyo account and looking at the main dashboard. Reporting in Klaviyo is done through the analytics area, and the goal here is to build a custom report that focuses on business performance, specifically at the product level, over a time range you choose. First, go to the left sidebar and click Analytics. This is the section where Klaviyo organizes performance data and reporting tools. Once you are in Analytics, look for the option called Custom Report and click it. This takes you to the area where you can view reports you have already made and where you can create a new one. Next, click Create Custom Report. This opens the report builder, where you will choose what kind of insights you want Klaviyo to generate. When you see the category options, select Business Performance. This is important because it tells Klaviyo you want a report tied to business results, rather than something like deliverability or list growth. After selecting Business Performance, move on to the report details. Choose the report type as Product. Product reporting is useful when you need to understand which products are driving results, so you can make better decisions around marketing focus and inventory planning. Then add your report name. Use a clear name that makes sense at a glance, such as something that includes the report focus and the date range. A consistent naming style helps when you have multiple reports later. Now set your time range or period. Click the time range selector and choose the dates that match what you are trying to measure, such as a recent week, month, or a custom range. Be deliberate here, because the time range affects every number in the report. If you plan to compare performance over time, keep your date ranges consistent from one report run to the next. Finally, click Save and Run Report. Saving keeps your settings so you can return to the same report without rebuilding it, and running the report generates the results based on the selections you made. Give it a moment to load, then review the output to confirm it matches the product and time period you intended. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.